Good afternoon, everyone. I never thought one day I would be in front of people telling today I'm proud to be a professional bartender, because bartender course was not just about pouring the exact quantity of shots inside a shot glass or memorizing 20 recipe of cocktails or mocktails to practice it. But I realized bartending course was more than that. It was really an education in someone, into people. It was really patience and cooling down, because bartending is not just about the cocktail, but it's passion, education, and cooling down, especially when you are in rush and they tell you maybe an ice machine has break off. Then the guests are in front of you, more than 10 guests, and asking you for a mojito cocktail. So if you are not cooled down, I think you will not get it. When I started this journey, I knew bartending was just about making cocktails, making drinks. It was all about drinks. I never knew it was also about listening, being sharp, learning the guest without learning his mind, bringing stranger to be a regular customer, because that is bartending. It's not just about making drinks, giving cocktails to the guests, but also about making a stranger being a regular customer. So today I would thank EEC and our instructor for the gift they have given us. A great gift, a great knowledge. I would thank them for learning us more than recipe. Yeah. To giving us more than recipe, but responsibility, professionalism. How to carry ourselves proudly behind a bar. So today I will give a big thanks to EEC and our instructors for the big gift they gave to us. Finally, to everyone who always says, so when are you going to make me a drink? So to everyone who used to say, so Dada, so Noubissie, when are you going to make us a drink? The only thing I can say today is just wait, just be patient. I am graduated now. I charge more in me. So, cheers to us, the class that know how to mix it up and still keep it classic whenever it is. Cheers to everyone.